Para sa taong mahal ko, wala akong di kayang pagtiisan. Yan ang linya ko noon nung pinaglalaban ko ang aming pagmamahalan. Hindi ako ang gusto ng pamilya niya. Wala daw akong patutunguhan. Driver lang kasi ako at wala pang napagtapusan. Di ako nagpadaig, pinilit kong manuyo. Araw-gabi sa biyahe para may maibigay sa kanila kapalit ng simpleng mano. Sabi ng girlfriend ko, magtanan na lang kami. Sabi ko ayoko. Wala man akong yaman. Matatag naman ang prinsipyo ko. Kalaunan pumayag silang makasal kami. Pinagbuti ko lalo. Nakapundar ng bahay at maliit na negosyo. Lumipas pa ang taon, swinerte ako ang konting puhunan na palago. Ngayon may-ari na ako ng 3 FX line. Pero ang mga in-laws ko, di pa rin nagbago. Ako si Miko, habang buhay na susukulan ng pamilya ng asawa ko para matanggap ako. Kahit di na lang sana katuwang ng anak nila, kahit bilang isang tao. Ito ang aking biyaheng people pleaser. My love, sabi nga nila, sa pamilya ng katuwang mo sa buhay, sa pamilya ng iyong partner, sa kada yes, meron dyang no. Not everybody will like you. Not everybody will appreciate you. No matter how much you try, they just don't. Meron silang different standard when it comes to the person that matters to them. And when you don't make the cut, you just don't make the cut. I've experienced this. Yung disapproval. I was constantly proving myself. Di ako nakakalimot sa mga special na dates. Hoping that one day, yung araw na yun, will make that person realize that I never gave up. I never gave up trying. Trying my best na masuyo siya. Na ipakita sa kanya na I'm not gonna say anything bad just because you've said something bad against me. I'm just gonna show you the person that I am. I'm just gonna show you na I'm opening my doors to the chance of you trying to get to know me. And maybe, just maybe, like those people around you, you'll see me the way they do. They like me. They approve of me. Ikaw lang yung hindi ko makuha. So you try. You try your best to be liked by this person. Gusto mo kasi lahat sila okay sa'yo. Lahat sila approved sa'yo. But up until the end, hindi mo yun nakuha. And that's when you realize it wasn't my fault. I tried. Hindi siya nag-work hindi dahil nagkulang ako. Hindi siya nag-work kasi ayaw niya talaga. And no matter how you force someone to like you, no matter what you do, not even when you demand, a person that doesn't like you just won't give it a chance to like you. So stop trying. So para dito kay Miko, no? Ito kasi yung sinasabi na nating walang backseas I mean, you take your wife along with the family that she has. You cannot pinpoint kung sino lang sa kanila yung kakausapin mo kasi basically, biyanan mo na yan Pero my love, you give them what is due. Kumbaga yung kung ano yung sa tingin mong tama. Pero tama na for going overboard. 'Di ba? You know naman when ka sumusobra Kasi sabi nga nila, anything that's sobra, masama. Plus, you are no longer teaching them a lesson. You are already tolerating whatever it is that has been happening for quite some time sa relationship nyo. You've spent years trying to prove yourself to these people. I think it's about time that you listen to your wife. Hayaan mo siya yung umasikaso nito kasi pamilya niya na to Hindi ka naman magpapakita ng pangil mo, hindi ka magpapakita ng pangit na ugali. You're just stopping what you are doing. Kasi my love, if you haven't realized right now, ang ginagawa mo lang sa ngayon ay humihilata so that they can walk all over you. They've done it before and before. You gave it your best shot for them to see how great of a man you are. So my love, right now, don't spend your days trying to prove them still na you are that great man. I think it's time na i-enjoy mo na ngayon yung fruits of your labor. Yung years of you trying na mabigyan not only yung pamilya niya, kundi yung sarili mo na ngayong pamilya. The best life that you can offer because you are already that great man with or without their approval or validation. Ikaw na yan. So stop spending your days forcing them to see you that way. Enjoy mo na lang time na to kasama ng pamilya mo, kasama ng mga pinaghirapan mo. Tama na. Wala ka nang kailangan pang patunayan. Kung ayaw nilang makita yung bagay na already in front of them, then that's on them. That's not on you. Kung ayaw nilang makita ka the way everybody else sees you, wala ka nang kasalanan doon. Again, my love, stop trying to prove yourself to people who doesn't want to see you the way you want to be seen. Minsan kasi, my love, hindi naman sila bulag. May fine and thin line between bulag at nagbubulagan. Bubulag-bulagan rather. Never talagang makikita ng isang tao ang kabutihan ng isa kung ayaw niya tong tignan. Klaro? Klaro.